Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Josh Stroschein, and welcome to my course, Malware Analysis, Identifying and Defeating Code Obfuscation. I am an assistant professor at Dakota State University, where I teach malware analysis, reverse engineering, and software exploitation. I also work as a senior malware analyst for Bromium, and am the director of training and academic outreach for the Open Information Security Foundation. In this course, we are going to get hands-on with malware obfuscation. Malware authors will routinely utilize obfuscation techniques to complicate the analysis of their code. These techniques can prevent discovery of important indicators of compromise and prevent you from determining malware functionality. Identifying and defeating code obfuscation is often the first step when analyzing any malicious file. Some of the major topics that we will cover include how obfuscation affects your analysis, the tools and techniques for identifying code obfuscation in interpreted code, such as Visual Basic for applications and PowerShell, how malware authors employ string and function obfuscation in native code, as well as identifying malware use of cryptography, as well as effective ways for detecting and tracing the use of that cryptography. Throughout this course, you will be able to follow along through comprehensive demonstrations and apply yourself through hands-on labs with real-world malware samples. By the end of this course, you will have the knowledge and skills necessary to defeat malware obfuscation. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with the basics of reverse engineering and be comfortable with tools such as a disassembler and an assembly-level debugger. You should also be familiar with how to set up a safe malware analysis lab environment. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn how to defeat obfuscation with malware analysis, identifying and defeating code obfuscation at Pluralsight.